Nearly 5,000 people die in motorcycle crashes each year in this country, and a surprising new study from Johns Hopkins finds African Americans involved in crashes are more likely to die than their white counterparts. WJZ is live along the Beltway. Mike Hsu with a breakdown of the study. Mike?
Well, Vic, they looked at 88,000 accidents from 700 trauma centers, and the results stood out in black and white. Study shows this white rider has a better chance of survival after a crash than a black rider with the same injuries. In fact, black riders have 1.5 times the death rate following a crash than whites. We spoke with the Hopkins author today from Boston.
So if you have a black patient and a white patient and they both had the same injuries after a motorcycle crash, the black patient has a 50% increased chance, or I guess you should say increased risk of dying.
The results are also surprising because 30% more black riders wear helmets.
Even though the black or African American patients are wearing helmets more commonly, they still had worse outcomes.
The cause could be linked to overall worse health care for blacks and the type of motorcycles used.
So wearing helmets is a good thing. Unfortunately, though, it's not good enough for the black patients. And it may be something to do with the kind of motorcycles they're riding.
Some have asked, why look at race in the first place?
Unless we really point out and understand where there are problems, we won't ever be able to fix them.
That they're still studying this and training for African American drivers might be the answer, or they could look to the English model, which is if you want to ride a powerful bike, you first have to have experience on a less powerful model. Reporting live in Brooklynville, Mike Hsu, WJZ Eyewitness News. Back to you on TV Hill.
Thank you, Mike.